Drone racing is a brand new competitive sport that has gotten quite popular with the rise of the drone market. It is so popular at this time that there are many tournaments all over the globe. You can also try to enter the drone racing world, which is why opting for some of the best racing drones can be an excellent idea. So if you're interested in buying one, then we can help you out with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all of the featured products and their buying links. We are starting out our list with the Stone HS720 foldable GPS drone. This drone comes with an optimized Full HD camera built with a shock absorption holder that ensures shooting 3840 by 2160 high-resolution images and videos without camera vibration. It provides 5 GHz FPV transmission and a 90-degree adjustable lens that enables you to see the world from a different angle. This drone returns automatically whenever the battery is low, the signal is lost, or you press the 1-key return. Its intelligent battery works for 26 minutes for each charge, and the long-life brushless motors have lower power consumption and give you a quieter flight. Plus, the foldable design and well-fitted carrying case make it easy to take the drone outdoors. On the other hand, the control range of 2.4 GHz transmitter enables the drone to reach up to 3,000 feet high range. Up next on the list, we have the Shark FPV drone. It is designed to provide you with an intermediate racing drone capable of training new pilots and taking on the competition race day. For a more immersive experience, you can also utilize an optional Shark headset to receive first-person video footage directly from the Shark Quad's built-in camera and its 2-band 8-channel video broadcasting capabilities. It cuts through the sky on 4 8520 brushed 8.5mm 8.5-volt motors, while you control the action with the midsize controller and twin professional-grade gimbal sticks. The built-in 130-degree wide-angle FPV camera wirelessly beams its video to your Recon goggles. The goggles feature an integrated channel scanner with a 4-band 32-channel receiver to help make sure you have the strongest signal possible. Plus, the controller has a mid-size form factor that's designed to be comfortable to hold and convenient to take with you, and the controls themselves have a straightforward and intuitive layout. Next on the line, we have the Stone HS720 Bolt B mini racing drone. It offers high-power motors for quick acceleration, which achieves 50 km/h high speed within seconds, giving a more immersive experience. This drone comes with 2 pieces of modular LiPo battery, high performance, which doubles your quadcopter's flight time. You can implement various flight movements in continuous roll for great action. It can do flips in 4 ways flip and surprise your friends. Further, the 2.4 GHz 6-axis gyro stability offers excellent stability and extends control distance for better handling. However, it allows several models to be played at the same time without interference. The ARRIS X-Speed 280 V2 FPV quadcopter racing drone comes with a smooth and robust motor that has high efficiency and long working life. Its propeller is very powerful and well balanced and has a 10% higher ability than standard propellers. It uses Radiolink AT9S 10-channel radio that supports S-Bus, PPM, and PWM signal. The controllable range of the radio is about 900 meters ground and 1500 meters air. This drone packs 200 milliwatts of ultra-clean 5.8 GHz power in a micro-sized video audio transmitter. The ultralight 700 TVL 2.8mm lens digital CCD video camera on the drone is super stable, and the picture from it is of high quality. It has integrated with a remote controller battery warning buzzer, and the pilot can set the threshold adjustable according to CF parameter adjustment software. Besides, you can also locate your racing drone through triggering the buzzer with the switch D on the transmitter. The next product on the list is the HUBSAN H122D X4 FPV racing drone. This is a ready-to-fly racing drone capable of offering you an FPV experience with a pair of goggles. Video is captured with the built-in 720p HD camera and streamed in real time via a 5.4 GHz wireless signal. You can control the H122D from up to 320 feet away with the included remote controller. The controller's commands are sent via a 2.4 GHz wireless signal, which does not interfere with the video transmission. While specifically designed for racing, it can also perform aerial acrobatics such as 360-degree flips and rolls. On a full charge of its 710 mAh LiPo battery, you can fly and do flips for up to 6 minutes, with a battery recharge time of 150 minutes. Plus, the compact 3.7 by 3.7 inch body can easily be carried in a bag or backpack, letting you experience drone racing almost anywhere. Meet up the all-new Bolt Drone FPV racing drone. It features a unique and innovative FPV viewing system that allows a seamless transition from traditional viewing on the controller to FPV viewing using goggles. Slide the screen into the goggles for FPV piloting and racing, or swap it back to the controller for recreational flying and experience virtual reality flying. This drone uses a carbon fiber frame which is durable and lightweight. You can take HD photo and video recording, and with the 5.8 GHz receiver transmitter for reliable and precise performance. The camera on the drone will automatically sync with the screen and broadcast a live high-definition feed. Last but not least, at the top of the list, we have the ARRIS X220 V2 FPV racing drone. This drone's highlighted feature is that it has an X symmetrical design that comes with the chamfered edge design on the arm, which gives the quad a sleek look. It is made of pure carbon fiber with alloy pats, and the weight is quite light and easy to maintain. This drone has a high-end brushless motor that is specifically designed for high-performance FPV racing drones. It adopts a brand new M5 steel shaft, improving the structure strength. The propeller is made of imported PC, the strength is high, and the root is thickened, making the propeller not quickly broken. Plus, the smooth surface design on the prop decreases the windage resistance, increasing the propeller's efficiency. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.